This is the percussion that I processed on the previous video, and I want to make it have a different space than drums and be more obvious apparel in the mix. So let's get started while we are waiting. As you can hear, center belongs to drums, and it has a lot of transients, basses that occupy that center low end position. So what can I do to make this percussion be more audible in the mix? Let's solo it and start with EQing. So I have done this transient shaping on the previous video that I mentioned at the start of this video. If you are interested in, you could watch that video. Let's bring an equalizer that I have never loaded. Nope. Let's go with ReQ, Reaper stock equalizer. It doesn't seem to be interesting and good sounding, but it really sounds good. And I'm using this on my main projects too. First of all, there is a lot of boxy and let's say 700, 800 hertz here. I want to cut them. It has problems and masking with drums. So now that I have focused it to the point that I want, let's add a stereo enhancer from kilohertz and a chorus plugin from Blue Cats. Okay. First, let's play with this chorus plugin. Not bad. Let's make it wider than it is. Now gain. Let's add some higher boost or higher frequencies. It's starting to distinct. It plays its role, but if you wanna hear it louder and much bigger, you should work on drums too, to have more space and more sound field occupation place. But this is now doing whatever it should do on the background. It could go wider too. That's what I was seeking. So when it is wider, it's not in the way of drums or any instrument that is centered or phantom center or a little bit wider than them. And it has its own space and its own vibe. So it could be always different, effective, lovely, and not troubling, bothering other audio materials. It's good, it's great. It feels a little away from this sound field, but because this mix is not complete and it is still on the process and I'm doing changes, recording videos, teaching how to mix, how to manipulate audio, it is on the process, it's not done. So that's why there is a incompatibility between or a bad correlation between some audio materials. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.